The mobile network is not available in your Samsung A14. So the first fix is we will start in the settings, then scroll all the way down until you see general management. In this one, scroll down again and select the reset option. We will first attempt to reset the mobile network settings. So tap on the reset, enter in your login, and tap reset one more time. Give it 15 to 20 seconds, see if mobile network shows. If it doesn't, sometimes we don't try this, but it does help. We will enter the power menu, and then we'll just try and restart our phone. If that doesn't help, let's look at the SIM card. So you will want to eject the SIM card from the tray. The tray is located at the top left here. So once the SIM card is taken out, sometimes the contacts are dirty, which is causing network problems. So just get a t-shirt, jumper, microfiber cloth, and just give this yellow part a nice rub. This yellow part is on all SIMs. Just give that a nice rub. Put the SIM card back in and then check the connection. If still not working, what may be happening here is that you just don't get signal in your home. So a quick test would be to go outside, make sure your Wi-Fi is off, and just have your mobile data on, and see if you're outside, are you getting signal? Because if you aren't, then in the UK at least, you can call up your carrier, you can complain about the poor signal, and ask them to install a signal booster in your home. It connects to the home Wi-Fi network, and then it will just give you great mobile data signal. So some carriers, if your signal is genuinely bad, they'll do a survey of the home. So they'll go in, check the signal, and if it is bad enough, they'll give it to you for free. Other carriers are going to charge you money for that service. Some carriers just don't offer that service at all. But in the UK, the free carrier, THREE do. Most people probably watching from the US. Do let me know in the comments if you have that option. If you're just getting absolutely no network, you may want to get a new SIM card as it may be damaged. So use a device that can connect to the internet and contact the carrier or go to the store, or you may need to get your phone booked in for repair.